soda bread is usually a very simple recipe. First, you will preheat the oven to 350. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and baking soda. Then, stir in the raisins. Crack both of the eggs and mix together. Set aside 1 tablespoon beaten egg. Then combine buttermilk, oil, and the remaining eggs and pour into the flour mixture. Once combined, transfer to a greased 9-inch round baking pan. Use the egg set aside to brush on top of the dough. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Let it cool for 10 minutes before removing from the pan. Even though soda bread is one of the many staples in Ireland, this baked good was first created by Native Americans. It solved many food problems in Ireland as ingredients were sparse. It's a symbol of celebration, baked in large quantities, especially leading up to St. Patrick's Day.